Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Tural Aliyev.
I'm Teymur Mammadov.
We are going to introduce a presentation about usability evolution of LinkedIn, a heuristic and empirical analysis. Study context. LinkedIn is essential for professional network career growth and personal branding. Our study evaluates LinkedIn's usability, focuses on UI and UX issues to identify challenges and offer recommendations for improved functionality. Our declarations based on December 2023, so some of issues was resolved. LinkedIn and human-computer interaction. LinkedIn enables users to create digital resumes, connect with industry professionals, and provides recruiters with advanced candidate search tools. Its diverse user base, students, job seekers, professionals, and recruiters, has varying needs, making usability critical. To remain effective as a professional tool, LinkedIn must support users of all digital literacy levels. Our research aim and objectives. The study evaluates LinkedIn's core features, registration, profile setup, job searching, and networking, using HCI methods. Our goal is to provide actionable insights to enhance LinkedIn UX, focus on ease of use, efficiency, and user satisfaction. The stage is yours, Teymur.
Thanks, Tural, for great introduction. And let's move on. First of all, I want to talk about methodologies that these are used in study. There are three main methodology: cognitive walkthrough, usability testing, system usability scale. Cognitive walkthrough looks like heuristic evaluation, expert reviews. It assesses LinkedIn from a new user's perspective, examining task learnability. It focuses on learnability. Usability testing. Usability testing are most popular UX research approach, which is real users complete tasks while being observed, allowing for qualitative and quantitative analysis. System usability scale is questionnaire-based method, which is involve 10 question and quantifies users' perceived usability of LinkedIn. The purpose of the SAS scale is generate a number which is represent the usability of interface. Primary task for each method is registration, profile setup, networking, job searching, and etc. Okay, let's dive to cognitive walkthrough method. In this method, we perform a task which is you see on the screen, task registering on LinkedIn, profile setup, job searching, networking functions. Each of us simulate different users which has different digital skills, different experiences, and different computer skills. Okay. Secondly, usability testing. Before the test, we choose the Zoom as platform for testing and instruct the users for sharing their screens and their cameras, their voices, which give us the opportunity for real-time observation and real-time recordings. Which recordings we choose three main quantitative data, which is first of all success rate, if the user complete the task successfully or not, the time spent on each task, and user satisfaction on each task. Okay, testing tasks are nine, which is specific tasks. Each of them belong to more broad category, which has networking, registering, which also and usability testing and user profiles and diversity. User profiles are very important to measure the usability of interface. If we have broad and diverse user profiles, user pool, we get more correct results. Our user pool range to 17 to 44 years, different experiences, different devices, different frequency of uses. Let's talk about findings. In cognitive walkthrough, we find some usability issues. First of all, about registration. Most recent company mandatory field is registration process, and this caused confusion for new graduates and or users without work experience. People usually add some fake work experience for completing registration, and then they have to delete it, and it's misuse of interface. By the way, LinkedIn has solved this problem, and it's not relevant now. But when we run this study, this is big trouble. It was big trouble. Profile setup. Profile setup has two big problems about usability. First of all, users had to add skills individually, which is inefficient for professionals with multiple skills. Secondly, language section are not visible to users easily. What does it mean? It means that when you add some section to your profile, like skill, experience, language knowledge, you have to click add section button, and you see three main category: core, recommended, and additional. The language section is in the additional section, but in modern job market, language knowledge is very important. But people can't find it in core and recommended section, and it's very hard to people add their language knowledge to their profile. Job searching. The main problem about job searching is job searching return unrelated results if there are no exact matches for search queries. What does it mean? If you search with Android developer job at Baku location, and if there is no real job vacancy for it, what do you expect? You expect that LinkedIn interface explicitly show that there are no job for your search query. But in reality, LinkedIn generates some unrelated job posts like AI engineer, front-end engineer, back-end engineer, and show to you. It's misuse of interface and uh, very big trouble for job searching. Job searching is main functionality of LinkedIn, and it's ironically the problematic part of the interface is job searching. We will see it also usability testing findings. Networking is generally usable and well received with smooth process of force sending and accepting connection requests. Uh, Usability testing, quantitative data, and task completion. Okay, before I said, uh, lowest success rate is belong to job search tasks, which is also has the lowest satisfaction score. The most uh, usable usable part of interface is networking, and networking tasks has greatest success rate and greatest satisfaction score. You can see more detailed data in these tables. Uh, is there is some notable finding is that there are some very big gap between experienced and newbie users in terms of spending time on tasks. It is mean that for new users, LinkedIn interface is not usable, and they spend too much time for easy tasks. Staging on your Tural, let's continue.
Thanks, Teymur. Findings, usability testing, qualitative analysis of user feedback. Our usability testing revealed a few challenges for LinkedIn users. Firstly, many users had difficulty distinguish between the skill section and the language addition area, leading to confusion. Some also experienced navigation issues, being redirected to a general search instead of job search feature. Users highlighted a frustration, such as the time-intensive process of adding skills one by one and job search results that often didn't align with their queries. To address this, users recommend adding a filter to refine job search results and simplifying access to a profile section, like add language feature to reduce errors. Finding system usability scale, SAS. Our SAS questionnaire, using 10 statements rated from 1 to 5, revealed some key insights. While users initially found LinkedIn somewhat complex after using it, the overall score of 70 out of 100 places LinkedIn usability borderline of good. This suggests LinkedIn is functional but could use especially for new users. Here's the extended details of system usability scale results. Recommendations for LinkedIn's UI and UX. Onboarding. Allow optional fields like recent employment for users without relevant data. Profile customization. Enable bulk skill additions and improve language section visibility. Search algorithm. Provide a no results found message instead of showing irrelevant job options. Feature research. Include a broader user demographic and examine accessibility improvements. Ultimately, our findings indicate LinkedIn has generally usable interface. Key areas like skill addition, job search accuracy, and registration will perform improvements. Future studies will diversify the user base and emphasize accessibility for those abilities. Enhancing LinkedIn's design could elevate user experience, making LinkedIn's goal as a leading professional networking tool.